Hi everyone, my name is LG Person Agcolrico, and today I'm excited to present my plan for building a high-performance computer for an office setting. So the management has tasked me with assembling a system that is efficient and powerful and within the budget range of 60,000 to 100,000 pesos. After some research, I've selected the following components which I believe will deliver an excellent performance for office tasks, multitasking, and many more. So let's dive into this video and know what are my preferences. For our first system unit components, which is the tower case, I've chosen the Fractal Design Mishifi 2XL. The Fractal Design Mishifi 2XL is a full tower ATX case that measures 544-232-474mm. It features a mesh front panel with filters for high airflow, ensuring efficient cooling. The case offers ample space with 8 expansion slots and 3 3.5-inch drive-bys and 3 2.5-inch drive-bys, making it perfect for higher performance builds. I choose this case for its superior airflow and space, ensuring everything stays cool even under load, which is ideal for both office tasks and light media work, for only the price of 7,500 Philippine pesos. Next on our list is the motherboard, which I've chosen the MSI Mag B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR motherboard. This features an Intel B660 chipset and support up to 64GB of DDR memory. It includes 6 serial advanced technology attachment ports, 2 M.2 slots, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast wireless connectivity. With 2 PCI Express by 16 slots, 1 PCI Express by 4 slots, it offers great expandability for future upgrade. This motherboard was selected for its reliability, connectivity, and solid support for the Intel Core i7 13700K processor for only the price of 9,000 Philippine pesos. For our third system unit components, which is the hard drive, I've chosen the Kingston NV2 1TB NVMe solid-state drive and the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard disk drive. For storage, the setup includes 1TB Kingston NV2 NVMe solid-state drive with a PCI Express Generation 3.0x4 interface, providing lightning-fast read speed, or up to 3,500 MB per second, and write speed of up to 2,300 MB per second. Additionally, the Seagate Barracuda 2TB hard disk drive offers ample space with a 7,200 revolution per minute speed and 256 MB cache. This combination ensures quick boot times and fast file access via the solid-state drive, with plenty of room for other files on the hard disk drive. And the price for this is only 3,500 for the solid-state drive and 3,000 for the hard disk drive. For our fourth system unit components, which is the network extension adapter, I have chosen the TP-Link Archer T4A AC1200 PCLE Wi-Fi card. This supports a Wi-Fi 5 with dual band connectivity of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, providing speed of up to 1,200 megabits per second. Its PCL Express x1 interface ensures solid wireless performance for browsing, video calls, and general productivity tasks for only the price of 1,500 pesos. For our fifth system unit components, which is the Central Processing Unit or the CPU, I have chosen the Intel Core i7 13700K processor. The Intel Core i7 13700K is a high-performance processor with 16 cores and 24 threads, offering a base frequency of up to 3.6 GHz and a turbo frequency of up to 5.4 GHz, with a 30 MB Intel Smart Cache and a thermal design power of 125 watts. This processor can handle intense multitasking and demanding workloads, making it perfect for both office application and media tasks for the price of 24,427.70 pesos. For our sixth system unit components, which is the graphics processing unit or the GPU, I have chosen the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6GB. The GTX 1660 Super Graphics Processing Unit features 6GB of GDDR5 memory with a base clock of 1530 MHz and a boost clock of 1785 MHz. It provides smooth graphics, performance for media editing, presentation, and light gaming. Its values make it a great fit for office use while offering a flexibility to handle more demanding tasks when needed. And it's only a price for 12,000 Philippine pesos. For our 7th system unit component, which is the power supply, I have chosen the Corsair CV650. The Corsair CV650 power supply unit delivers 650 watts of power and is 80 plus bronze certified, ensuring energy efficiency and reduced electricity consumption. It is a non-modular but offers enough wattage to power the entire system, including the Intel Core i7 13700K processor and the GTX 1660 software graphics processing unit for the price of 3,500 pesos. For our 18th system unit component, which is the random access memory or the RAM, I have chosen the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz. The 16GB Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 random access memory has two 8GB modules, runs at a speed of 3200 MHz with a column address strobe latency of 16 and a voltage of 1.35 volts. This configuration ensures smooth multitasking and a responsive system for handling office applications and more demanding tasks for only the price of 4,000 pesos. For our 9th system unit component, which is the cooling system, I have chosen the Cooler Master Hyper 212 RGB. The Cooler Master Hyper 212 RGB is an air cooler with 4 heat pipes and 1 RGB fan, designed to keep the processor at optimal temperatures. It is compatible with Intel LGA 1200/115X and advanced micro devices AM4 sockets, ensuring efficient cooling during intense workloads while adding a visual flair with its RGB fan for the price of 2,500 pesos. Now let's move on to the other devices that our ideal computer needs, and first on my list is the monitor, and I have chosen the Acer R240HY 23.8-inch 1080p IPS. The Acer R240HY is a 23.8-inch full high-definition IPS monitor with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, providing vibrant visuals and wide viewing angles. Its 60 Hz refresh rate is suitable for general office tasks and light media editing, for only the price of 5,500 pesos. And of course, next on our list is the mouse. Who has a computer without a mouse, right? So I have chosen the Logitech M590 multi-device wireless mouse. The Logitech 590 is an ergonomic multi-device wireless mouse with 7 buttons. It allows switching between multiple devices, boosting productivity. With up to 2 years of battery life, it's designed for efficiency and long-term use for the price of 1,200 pesos. And of course, another important part of our computer is the keyboard, and I have chosen the Logitech K120 wired keyboard. The Logitech K120 is a wide membrane keyboard with quiet responsive keys, ideal for office work and heavy typing sessions. It provides reliable, comfortable typing experience at an affordable price for only 800 pesos. Fourth on our list is our headset, and I have chosen the Logitech H390 USB headset. The Logitech H390 is a USB over air headset with a noise-cancelling microphone, ensuring clear audio during calls and video conferencing. It's ideal for work in both quiet and noisy environments, for only the price of 1,500 pesos. And lastly is our camera, and I have chosen the Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam. The Logitech C920 HD Pro webcam offers 1080 pixel full high-definition resolution, a 30 frame per second frame rate, and autofocus, making it perfect for clear video calls. Its built-in microphone ensures good audio quality even in varying lighting conditions for the price of 3,000 pesos. And there you have it, my ideal computer build for an office setting. Those are my preferences. Bye!